Well, son, it all started back when your mother and I were young. Your mother came from a wealthy family, and I did not have much to my name except my dreams and determination.
Yes, your father caught my eye from the moment I saw him. He had this spark, this drive that I found so captivating. Despite our different backgrounds, I could not help but fall for him.
Your mother's family was not too keen on our relationship at first. They had their expectations, you know. But love has a way of breaking down barriers. We faced challenges, but we also found strength in each other.
Really? What kind of challenges did you face?
Oh, plenty. There were societal pressures, financial differences, and even misunderstandings between our families. But we persevered because we believed in what we had.
Your father worked tirelessly to prove himself, not just to my family, but to himself as well. He never gave up on his dreams, and seeing his determination only made me love him more.
That's incredible. I never knew all of this.
Love stories are not always smooth sailing, son. But what matters is how you weather the storms together.
And eventually, our families came around too. They saw the love and commitment we shared, and they could not deny it.
I'm so glad you both stuck together. I can't imagine life without either of you.
And we can't imagine life without you, son. Love comes in many forms, and our family is proof of that.
Did you ever doubt your love for each other because of your different backgrounds?
I can't say I ever doubted my love for your father. But there were moments of uncertainty about how we would navigate our differences.
Absolutely. There were times when I wondered if I could provide for your mother the way she was accustomed to. But then I realized that love is not about material possessions. It's about being there for each other, supporting each other through thick and thin.
How did you manage to bridge the gap between your families?
It took time and patience, son. We had to show them that our love was genuine and that we were committed to making it work. Eventually, they saw how happy we were together, and that was enough for them to accept our relationship.
Communication played a big role too. We had to have some difficult conversations with our families, but it was necessary for them to understand where we were coming from and why we chose to be together.
I admire your strength and determination, both of you.
Thank you, son. But remember, love is not always easy. It requires effort, compromise, and sometimes even sacrifices. But in the end, it's all worth it.
That's right. Love is the most beautiful and powerful force in the world. It has the ability to overcome any obstacle if you believe in it strongly enough.
I will keep that in mind. Thank you for sharing your love story with me. It's truly inspiring.
You are welcome, son. We want you to know that no matter what path you choose in life, we will always be here for you, supporting you every step of the way.
That's right. Our love for you knows no bounds, and we will always be a united family, just like we were when we first fell in love.
Have you ever faced any moments where you felt like giving up?
There were certainly times when things felt overwhelming, son. Times when it seemed like the odds were stacked against us. But giving up was never an option. We knew that if we stayed true to each other in our love, we could overcome anything.
Exactly. There were challenges that tested us, but every time we faced one, it only made our bond stronger. Love is not just about the good times, it's about standing by each other when things get tough.
How did you find the strength to keep going during those tough times?
We found strength in each other, son. Knowing that we had each other's backs gave us the courage to keep pushing forward, no matter what obstacles came our way.
And we also leaned on our friends and loved ones for support. Surrounding yourself with people who believe in your love and want to see you succeed makes all the difference.
It sounds like you had a great support system.
We were truly blessed, son. And now, we are here to support you in your own journey, whatever it may be.
That's right. We want you to know that you can always come to us with anything, and we will do everything in our power to help you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. I feel lucky to have such amazing parents.
And we feel lucky to have you as our son. Our love for you knows no bounds, and we will always be here for you, no matter what.
Well, Dad, Mom, I have been thinking about how I can impress this girl I like. Any advice?
Ah, the age-old question. Well, son, first and foremost, be yourself. Authenticity is key when it comes to impressing someone. Let her see the real you, not some persona you think she wants to see.
That's right. And remember to listen to her. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and dreams. Everyone loves to feel heard and understood.
Got it. Be genuine and listen. Anything else?
Confidence goes a long way, son. Believe in yourself and what you have to offer. But don't confuse confidence with arrogance. There's a fine line between the two.
And don't be afraid to show her your romantic side. Thoughtful gestures, like bringing her favorite flowers or planning a surprise date, can really melt a girl's heart.
Got it. Be genuine and listen. Anything else?
Respect is absolutely crucial, son. Treat her with kindness, respect her boundaries, and always communicate openly and honestly.
And don't forget to have fun together. Laughter is the best bonding agent, so don't be afraid to let loose and enjoy each other's company.
Thanks, Mom, Dad. I will keep all of that in mind. I really appreciate your advice.
Anytime, son. Just remember to be yourself, treat her right, and everything else will fall into place.
That's right. And if she can't see how amazing you are, then she's not the right one for you. The right girl will appreciate you for exactly who you are.